for today's video, I already have my hair up because all we're doing is the edges, right? So what you're going to need is some gel. This is some Eco Styler gel. Don't mind this chicken noodle soup container. I had bought the Eco Styler gel, and when it arrived, the container was actually broken. So they actually sent me another one. Thanks a lot, Amazon. But I was not about to let this baby go and throw it in the garbage, so I just threw it in here. So don't mind that. Then the second thing that you're going to need is either a toothbrush or a comb. Well, actually, you'll need both of these if you're using a toothbrush. You'll need to get this comb, or I just bought, this is what I was using for the longest time. I just bought this little, they call it the edge, they call it an edge brush. So yeah, so this is amazing. You have a little brush on this side, and then you have a little tiny comb on this side. So this is really nice. And then you're gonna need some water, of course. These next two steps are actually optional. So what you can use is a little spritz to set your hair in place. And also you can also use a scarf, a satin scarf, so you can set your hair in place as well. So let's get right to it. So first, what I like to do is to spray my edges a little bit. Spray it, right? So let's do that. Let's spray our hair a little bit, like literally a little bit. This step you don't really have to do it, but I like my edges wet because it gives it a little bit more of movement. So what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to use my brush. So I just dip it in the gel, literally like a little bit. I don't know if other people do this, but I always like to put it like all over the brush with this finger, so that when I'm going, I also have gel on this finger and I go ahead. So I'm gonna start on this side, then I'm gonna go on this side, and then I'm gonna do the middle. Or I might not even do the middle. We'll see if I like how it looks. I'm gonna do this side first and then this side. So let's get to it. So I just start like bringing the hair down with the brush, literally like this, and then I just work my way with my finger, and I go like that, and there you go, your first little tiny curl, right? So that same exact method is what I always use. I bring it down with this, make a little C, I guess you can say, and then I bring it down with my finger, and then this hair I just comb it back like that. So now that that first one is done, I'm going to go ahead and again put my brush down in the gel as well. Move the hair off of the excess like that, and then that's it. Then I push it back. So this side is done. I usually do like about two or three, depends on how I'm feeling. So now we're gonna go ahead on this side, push the hair down like that. So this is a different technique. So here, as you can see, I was going individually, right? Here, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna brush the hair down. So as you can see, I went down with the comb, and now this little tiny curl, I'm gonna go and brush it back with this. As I hold this, right, I'm gonna hold this like this, and then I'm gonna brush this back so it can stay in place, right? Got the edge in place, brush it back with this. Now, as you can see, like there's some hairs over here. So what I do is I just brush it back like that. There you go. So we've got this side done. We've got this side done. Now we're going to do the top. We're just gonna do, I took my gel already. Same steps, but you see like how here I have like a little bit more of hair coming out than over here. So that's kind of like my baseline. That's where I'm going to do like one stroke right here and one stroke right there. I'm going to do my little spritz. I'm going to spritz it, and then I'm going to wrap it up in a scarf, and I'm going to leave it on for about 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, I'll come back, and we're not done yet. I don't think you're ready. I hope you're ready. So it's been about 10 minutes, right? So let's reveal this, baby. Are y'all ready? So I can feel this is like set, like this is not moving from here, but we're not done yet. So now what we're going to do is we're gonna get our little hairs over here and we're gonna curl them a little bit, you know, make it look a little cute, right? So we're gonna get some water. Literally this is like, I don't even use gel for this step. I just get some water, I wet my fingers. First, let me grab the hair that I want. Right, so like about that much is good, and about this much is good too, over here. So now that I have the hair that I want, right, now I'm gonna grab my water, wet my fingers a little bit, and then I just twirl it around, play with it. You need some more water, go ahead and grab it. I need a little bit more water because it's a little bit dry. And I just twirl my hair around, and there's a little tiny curl, right? You can also do it with your comb, this part of the comb. You can go ahead and, because I used to do this before, but I used to just go ahead and like twirl it over here and then just let it go out. I'll do it with this one so you guys can see. Wet my fingers again, and I'm wetting the hair, right? And then I used to just grab my comb and I would hold it like this and just wrap the hair around it, right? And I would turn it like that. And I would go like this, and you would have another curl. There you guys have it, how I do my edges. I hope you guys like this video. If you do like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and also turn on that ringer so you can get notified of when I post my next video.